today we are checking out 5 minutes crafts that have gone too far. Really too far. I can't believe that. Oh my god, did she just use paper as lashes? Now I'm gonna tear paper and use as lashes when I'm running out of lashes. Oh my god, this is scary. This has gone too far. My people will not kill me. My people will not kill me. She used tissue as nose mask. I don't just know. I don't know. I don't get it. I just hate that thing they call nose mask or face mask. I hate it. I hate using it. She used tissue. My God, 5 minutes crafts. I don't know what I could do now. I'm not gonna buy face mask again. I'm gonna use tissue. Don't mind my English. I beg. Yay! So anyway, banana touching my phone. Okay, banana. I'm gonna use banana. It's okay. It's good though. It's good though. Gosh, no. Use airbrush as a toothbrush. Okay, it's okay. It's good. Hey. Okay. So you use paint as a heel. So on top of your sandal to heel, your slippers to heel, you use paint like this under your shoe. Okay, those things not waste anyway. I'm not gonna throw it away again. Thanks to 5 minutes crafts. I thank you for this one. I thank you for this one. I really thank you for this one. Please let me have. I'm having trouble with my sleep, or there's too much air. I'll just pour water, pour it on my bed. I'm not pouring it on my face alone. Pour it on my bed, on my bed sheet, everything. I'll pour it. Mommy will be like, precious, did you buy the white? I said no. Okay, you don't pour water on your bed again. You start again. You don't care. I'll bathe it. No, she won't bathe me because that's what I like, and I will sleep inside the water tomorrow. Okay, if I know that even if it still come back, if I still have troubles over my sleep, I'll still pour another water. I don't care if my bed is wet, too much wet. It will dry out later. I thought I'm the only one. I don't know that I have friends. Friends. I don't just understand. How can you pull that thing? I mean that big thing. Pull it out from that tiny net. Net? I don't know. Don't net? I don't know. Pull. That thing's too big to pull. Well, 5 minutes. It's okay. It's okay. Now let's see how you pull it off. It's okay. It's okay. Good. I love that girl. I said no problem. For them. I can use your nylon as a socks. I know I practiced one when I'm too young. When that time when I was too young, I practiced it. Okay, using nylon. But I used it to wear jeans. Like when I want to wear too skinny jeans, I use this to wear jeans, but I don't know that I can use this for socks. I just know now. So all my cousin, all my nephew, all my niece use their socks. They will use lining to school. I don't care. I don't care not to be. No, every day I'm gonna buy socks as if I'm the one buying it for them. No. Yes. If they miss their socks, they will use lining. I will show them that 5 minutes crafts on TikTok has taught me how to do with those kids. Okay, if I want to use my spark lighting, I can just glue things and it will glue. I prefer my little speck remain like this. I'm tired of this crap. Okay, I'm tired of this crap. Oh my gosh, yeah, what's this? Why am I watching all this? This thing is teaching me bad things, okay? Bad things. Bad. Okay, I'll use this if I want to. For me, especially for kind of person like me, that anytime I want to use my lipstick, I mean my hand is shake. My hand always to shake. This one is perfect idea for us. For we. So we're gonna use something step here, and put lipstick there. And now, I think this one I will take this idea. It's okay. I'm gonna take this idea. About all this I come too far. I'm down here. I'm down here. This totally has gone too far. Okay, we need to stop this. It's too fast. Yes, it's fast, but also it's a fast way to kill. I guess. Anyhow, so thank you for watching my video to this next time. And make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Subscribe. Hit that button. Hit that subscribe button. Color red. It's color red. Hit the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. I mean, anytime I upload a sweet video like this, you know I'm always a gentle girl. Gentle girl? Am I really a gentle girl? Anyway, you know I love you so much. Until next time. Bye. Always remember that precious is the words of faith. Love you, and I always got you. Please got me back. Bye.